Veteran lyricist Javed Akhtar, who was in trend recently because of his speech at Deepotsav by Maharashtra Navanirman Sena, admired Tiger 3 superstar Salman Khan. In his recent interview with India Today, he shared some amazing qualities this down-to-earth actor Salman Khan had. There are many things about Salman Khan which always make headlines, and one of them is his relationship status. Salman being single and not in any relationship is the only thing about him which makes his fans sad. But at the age of 58, Salman Khan still lives with his parents, Salim Khan and Sushila Charak. Of his many qualities, this one quality has impressed everyone. Javed Akhtar mentioned in his interview that Salman Khan has immense respect for his parents. Apart from his stardom and success, he still respects his parents and he has a grounded nature. He said that when it comes to respecting the parents, stay with them, behave in a manner. Salim Khan's eldest child has already borne it. He still doesn't look straight away in his father's eyes. Salman Khan is one of the most famous people in the country. There is a large number of people who follow Salman Khan, and this star is connected to his roots. He told all his fans out there to be like Salman Khan in this case. Javed Akhtar and Salman Khan's father, Salim Khan, have an old relation and bond which has been grown till date. Javed Akhtar had seen all three sons of Salim Khan, Salman, Arbaz, and Sohail, grow up from kids to great actors. He always admires the three of them for the values they have. In Arbaz's show, The Invincibles, he praised Arbaz, saying he is the favorite among all of three.